Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the stand where damage most often appears, joints and bolts. Use a flashlight and run your hands along tubes to feel bends. This tells you whether to straighten or replace. Once done, lay the stand on a flat surface and remove all loose hardware so parts don't roll away. Make sure to have the 5mm Allen and adjustable wrench to hand. These let you quickly remove and resecure bolts without stripping heads, saving time and frustration. You now address alignment and joint movement. First, loosen bolts progressively instead of removing all at once so parts stay aligned. This prevents misfits. If tubing is slightly bent, apply firm, even pressure or use a soft jaw clamp to straighten, replace severely damaged sections. Once aligned, apply light lubricant to pivots to reduce friction. Retighten bolts slowly while testing the stand's motion. You want smooth resistance, not binding. If holes don't line up, shift components a millimeter at a time until they seat. You finish by reassembling and validating stability. Tighten bolts evenly in a crisscross pattern and avoid over-tightening because that strips threads or warps tubing. Once reassembled, place the keyboard and test the stand through its full range of angles. Make small tension adjustments until it holds without drift. Make sure rubber feet are correctly positioned to stop slipping. If wobble persists, add thin shims or replace worn bushings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.